Today, I know it seems a little easy to do, but I've made a few of these videos and they all seem to be watched pretty well. So I'm going to do one for my 2019 F250. I'm going to show you where to fill up the windshield washer fluid. So stick around. Of course, you got to open up the hood, and the reason I'm having to refill this is you can see the bugs. They're called midges, and I drive across the what they call the causeway here in New Orleans, and it's 24 miles over water, and for some reason bugs love water, and needless to say, I've killed a few of these bugs. So I've gone through a ton of windshield washer fluid. So if you have a 2019 F250 and you need to fill the windshield washer fluid, right here is the deal. It's got the little symbol on it. So if you're looking at the truck, you're looking at the driver's side front, and right there it is. You just flip that puppy open, and we're going to put some windshield washer fluid in there. With these damn bugs, I'm usually going through like a gallon of this stuff a week, just trying to keep my windshield clean. So as you can tell, it's good to, I think this one's good to 22 above Fahrenheit, so which is fine for Louisiana. Wherever you live, you might want to get something with a little bit more antifreeze in it. So anyways, here we go. Just pour it right in there. And I should be able to put the whole gallon in here, especially if I miss a lot. Whoops. I sort of got backed up there a little bit, but there we go. We're filled to the brim, and I got a little left over. Not much, but just a little. So that's how you do it. You don't have to wait till you go get your oil changed. If you have somebody else change your oil, you can just do it. Hopefully this quick little video will help you out. You know, I do this just well, I like making videos, number one, and number two, I like helping people. So if this helped you and you appreciate it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you would, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks again, and have a great day.